How long does it take to rebuild your credit versus getting it fixed? The time it takes to rebuild your credit can vary depending on several factors, such as the current state of your credit, the steps you take to improve your credit, and your overall financial situation. As your credit score is based on your credit history, it can take some time to see some more positive credit behaviors take effect, unless that is, you engage a credit repair specialist. For instance, avoiding late or missed payments may not change things on your report for over a year. Alternatively, if you're just disputing errors, you might see your score change in as little as a few weeks. Ultimately, credit repair does work and the results are instantaneous. However, here are 5 things you can do yourself to start seeing a difference in your credit report today. Firstly, check your credit report regularly. Grab a copy of your credit report. It's free, and you review it for any errors or inaccuracies. Anything that doesn't seem right may be an error on the creditor's behalf or could indicate identity fraud. Make it a habit to regularly review your credit report and score to ensure that you can catch up on any problems before they spiral out of control. Secondly, pay your bills on time. Late or missed payments can have a major impact on your credit score, so it's important to make payments on time. At the same time, paying your bills on time or early also impacts your credit score, just in a positive way. If you're having trouble keeping up with payments, consider setting up a direct debit or speaking with a credit counselor to develop a budget that works for you and your situation. Thirdly, reduce your existing debt. High levels of debt can drag down your credit score, so it's important to work on reducing debt. This may involve in paying down credit card balances, consolidating debt, or negotiating with creditors to lower interest rates, eliminating late fees, or remove the debt from a lump sum payment. Now, having less debt hanging over your head will also help you feel more confident about your financial situation. Number 4, limit your new credit applications. Every time you apply for credit, it generates a hard inquiry on your credit report. This can temporarily lower your credit score, so limit new credit applications to what is necessary and try to space them out as much as possible. Otherwise, it can look like to future lenders that you're in a bit of financial trouble. And finally, use credit wisely and become a smart borrower. Where possible, avoid maximizing out credit cards or using too much of your available credit, like applying for new lines of credit. This can negatively impact your credit score by implying that you're in a hard financial situation. Instead, try to keep a credit card balances low and use your credit cards only when necessary. Coming up with a detailed budget and choosing credit cards that best suit your needs will go a long way to meeting your financial goals. Now, while you can manage your own credit repair, it can often create more issues, resulting in the credit report being in a worse state than before. Credit restoration and repair services like CRS exist to handle the ins and outs of the process, which you may be too busy to manage or not feel confident doing so. And that is the exact reason why we exist at Credit Repair Solicitors. We remove the hassle and can start with a free credit analysis to see what your credit file is saying. If you've gained insight onto how to start building your credit repair today, we encourage you to like and share this video. And to see if we can help with your credit questions, please contact us via our website.